Oh, shut up. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy J Rock the Chocolate Stallion, and today we are making chicken potato soup. Oh my God, he's doing something other than cookies. That's right. Damn it. Although I enjoy making cookies, enough of the sweets. We need some real food. We need some healthy food. And this is going to be healthy as f. I'm adding a lot of vegetables to this, or at least for me, it's a lot. Anyway, if this is your first time, welcome. Please do not hesitate to give me a like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, share me to your friends, share me to your family. Tell everybody about J Rock the Chocolate Stallion. Hopefully you will enjoy this episode as much as I enjoy the food I'm about to eat. This soup helped me recuperate from COVID. For those who have suffered greatly when it comes to COVID, hey, my prayers and thoughts are with you right now. Hopefully this could be a recipe that can help you. Feel free to modify it any way you like. But anyway, enough talking. Let's get this started. First things first, let's start off with the protein. Now, I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I have this nice and chopped up. The seasonings you will see before you right here. And yes, I have been marinating this baby for about 24 hours. And now I have the oven preheating at a 425 degrees. So we're gonna take this here. We're gonna dump all of this here. We're gonna pop these babies in the oven for about 30 minutes. As you can see, I have a very big pot of water boiling. First things first, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna add some freshly chopped cilantro. I'm gonna add some pepperoncinis to this. If you're just doing a single batch, just for you, maybe just two, a much bigger batch, feel free to do like 4 or 5. But don't worry, the full recipe for just one person having this soup will all be in the description box. We're gonna add some pepperoncini juice. All right, give it a quick stir. Mix everything in there. Cook all of this on the medium to medium high heat. Just let it do its thing. Okay, on to the vegetables. Have this baby at a medium heat. Pour a little bit of olive oil. Swoosh around a little bit. I have 2 bowls of vegetables here. One's red and green bell peppers, the other is yellow and orange. As far as the other vegetables that I have in here, I have carrots, I have celery, I also have onions and freshly minced garlic. That was a lot more than I expected. Add a little bit of pepper, add a little bit of salt. The goal is to let this cook until they're translucent. So go ahead, give it a good mix. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I actually have jalapenos in here as well. And you can see some of the seeds. Now, you're probably wondering, wait, Jamal, you left the seeds in there? Well, of course I did. Do you want to know why? It's because I am the undisputed champion. You know what I mean? And champions ain't afraid of no spice. I ain't no, you know what I mean? I'm undisputed. I am I'm undisputed. Look at this. I am undisputed. Let this cook for about 4 to 5 minutes tops. Feel free to crank up the heat if you need to a medium high or high heat. And once the vegetables are fully cooked, immediately dump it into the soup. Then after that, give it a quick stir and just keep the soup on a medium to medium high heat. And the goal is just to let this baby cook. Put a little bit of olive oil in the skillet, swish around, do its thing. And these are the potatoes. They didn't have a giant bag of red potatoes at Costco, so I had to settle for brown. But still good though. Add a little bit of pepper. Add a little bit of kosher salt. Kind of mix it around a little bit. Let these babies cook in the skillet for about 5 minutes. Feel free to add some more extra virgin olive oil. After 30 minutes, we dump the chicken into the soup. Most people like to cook their chicken in the soup. However, I like cooking mine separate. Therefore, when it cooks in the soup, it's extra flavor. I want my chicken to have its own seasonings. Once the potatoes are done, immediately put them into the pot. Oh God, that one fell, didn't it? Son of a bitch. I'm gonna pour some of this water out. I don't want to because this broth looks amazing, but no, we're gonna deal with it. Don't want to, but it's like, oh man, this is rough. Jamal once again has miscalculated. So now that everything's incorporated, give it a quick stir. Let this baby cook on the medium-high heat for about 15 minutes. I wanna say every 5 minutes, just a quick stir, and then we will see what happens next. Stay tuned. And after 15 minutes, look at that. Look at this. Woo! Once it's done, let it cool for about 10 minutes. Are you ready for the taste test? I know I am. Hopefully, it will not destroy my tongue. We shall see what happens. Time for the try. Woo! You see the steam coming off this motherfucker. Oh, here we go. Oh man, oh my goodness. That is good for my soul, good Lord. Oh man, the chicken, the potatoes, they just mashed together with this broth. My God. Although this took a couple hours to prepare because I'm such a perfectionist, it was definitely worth it. Man, and the best part is it's healthy. I got several vegetables in here too. It has great spices, but it's not overpowering, which, by the way, feel free to add a little bit of honey to your batch of soup when you're cooking it, if you feel like the spice is a little overpowering. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. And please, as always, feel free to give me a like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, share me to your friends, share me to your family, tell everybody about J-Rock the Chocolate Stallion. Usually I do something crazy and jump in front of the camera and be like I'm out, but I'm tired as a motherfucker. Be safe.